Sorry, I'm gonna move the rotor. The sensor not gonna ring the tone ring. What? It's out. This is the problem. Every day is a new challenge. The problems are never end. Hey, good morning. My name is Alex and we are in my shop. Today we're gonna see a day of Red Seal mechanic. We're gonna run a little bit. What we're doing in the shop is we have one safety, we have two safety, we have to finish overall on this engine, and we have a PM. We are in the middle of the process. We did some tires, we're doing some torque rods, we're doing some ABS problems, fuel tires, and so and so and so. So come join me and we'll see how it goes. So as you know, in a shop, nothing is planned. We have few customers that calling in advance and give us heads up that they're going to bring a truck and we book them in. A lot of stuff are coming as we go because we're running a fleet and we have drivers that has a flat tire or a driver has any air leak or problem with the lights. So we're doing it on spot, chick-chack and on the road. Every day is a new challenge. The problems are never end. It's all the time. You know, when the truck coming to the shop, I don't know why it's coming or what is the problem. The driver can come and say, oh, I have a check engine, or the truck doesn't has enough power, and then we're gonna start investigate. Like a doctor, you come to the doctor, you say, oh, I have a problem with my, I don't know, whatever, hand, legs, stomach. So the doctor gonna start asking you questions, gonna start diagnosing the issue. The same thing with us. We're starting to ask the driver what the truck do in this type of reaction or this type of way, and so and so and so. So, as I told you, nothing is expected, and I just have a phone call from one driver, and he has a problem. He has a pressure in the coolant, so he's gonna come here around 12 o'clock, and we will diagnose the issue. We will see you. You see the sensor? I just push it in. I just push the sensor in. I'm gonna move the rotor, the hub, and it's gonna up. It's pushing it out. You said go out. I can show you again. I can push it again. The sensor is in. I'm gonna move the rotor. Up. It's out. Now we're gonna change the rotor, and we're gonna show you the rust. So, as we show you before, the tone ring. This is the tone ring for the ABS. And what's happening here? Because of all the rust, the tone ring go up. One side of the tone ring going up, and it's pushing the sensor, the ABS sensor. This is the trailer. You can see here how much of amount of rust is coming out and pushing this tone ring out. We're gonna put new rotor and it's gonna be fixed. So we found a problem with the ABS. It's come and go.
Okay.
The problem here, the tone ring that's sitting on the hub,
Right.
and reading the ABS signal.
Okay.
It's playing. So what we need to do, to change both of the rotors.
Okay.
So this a moment, I'm gonna take it apart, gonna put new rotors, and it's eliminated the problem. But also what I noticed that you're gonna need also some tires.
Right.
So I would like to give you some tires as well.
Thank you.
Okay? Because you're gonna leave, you are a US driver.
Yes.
So you're gonna leave, and I want to make it jongleur. Okay?
Thank you.
As we spoke earlier over the phone with the customer, with the problem in the coolant, so he just arrived here. And we're gonna diagnose the problem and see what it's gonna need. So the driver that called, he complained about coolant leak and he has pressure in the coolant, but apparently he didn't have a pressure in the coolant. He has a problem with one O-ring, and it's a very common problem on the Volvo. So we're just gonna change this hose. And it's good to go. And the leak is from here. So it's leaking coolant from here, and you can see that it's pushed out. The hose is pushed out a little bit. So we're gonna change. It's a quick fix. We're gonna remove the second one. Yeah. Yep. Sorry. Eventually we found two hoses was leaking, and we changed also the crankcase filter because it was leaking oil. Customer complained, customer go out, he's happy, and we going through the day, slowly. So what we did today, we did two safeties. We did some tires for another safety and troubleshoot the problem there. We troubleshoot the ABS problem on this heater. We did some tires and preventive maintenance to this truck. We have another truck with a coolant leak. So it was a long day. So it starts from my school as a young teenager in a different country. I come from a different country. I come from Israel. I was go with the flow, as we say. All my friends go to do mechanical stuff, so we go to do mechanical stuff, and everybody continue to do the college and then university, and this is how I been a mechanic. In my past 20 years, I was in the IDF back home, and I did mechanical work on tanks, on big trucks as well. And I continue my journey after the army. I continue my journey in a Volvo dealership. 10 years I was there, and then I come to Canada. No, it's a very popular job here in Canada, and more than that, everything that we do back home in Europe, here it's a little bit backwards. In Europe, the technology is more there, and here we still have the drums and we have the old style of the brakes. Back in Europe, the hubs are different, the braking systems are a little bit different, and we are slowly in the past 2-3 years we're seeing the new stuff coming into Canada, into North America. We have a computer, plus I asked the driver to send me a text message with his details, and I remember that. But other than that, I'm gonna go to the computer and type the work order in. Every technician that doing any work or trailer, they come to this computer, to the station, and we open a work order. Each vehicle that in the shop or coming to the shop, we open a work order, write all the stuff that we did to the guy that with the coolant leak. We replaced 2 coolant hoses, and we replaced the crankcase filter as well. We mention it in the work order, and this will be processed by Jason. So I know each one what he's good in. Let's say Kyle is very good in electronics and good with the computers, so he will do the side of the computer. We have Tamar, he's doing the engines, he's love to do the big stuff, so he's doing the engines. We have the trailer side, we have Charlie, he's doing the trailers, and alone with Eugene, they knock the trailers out. Each one of them has a role. Everybody has a role in this game. You just need to love it. If you don't love it, don't do it. Thank you everybody for joining this video and watching one day in my life. This is my day, this is my love, this is what I like to do. Cheers.